Coco, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Kylie won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is today's video, well today's tutorial, so make sure you guys go ahead. Today's look, so make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. So I'm priming with the P. Louise base in a number 5. So I'm taking the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's place, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce these names in this palette, but I'm grabbing the burgundy and I'm packing it in my crease using the E17. I'm going to take the Zulu palette, also from Juvia's place, and take the orange on a E18, also from Morphe, and I'm going to pack this right on top of the burgundy. Okay, I'm gonna take the yellow, also from the Zulu palette, and blend out the orange. Next, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, the Volume 2 palette. I'm taking the shade Crazy, and I'm adding that in my crease. Using the Warrior 2 palette again, I'm taking the black and I'm putting that like in the outer corner of my eye. The outer part of my eye, y'all know what I mean. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and for this I am using the P. Louise base. This one is in 0.5. Using some more black, I'm just gonna blend the harsh line. Going back into the Festival palette, I'm taking this shimmery turquoise color, and that is going to be my lid color. I'm just gonna apply some glitter that is like the exact same color on top with some Duo Lash Glue. eyeliner in my waterline, and now I'm going to take the exact same burgundy from the Juvia's Place palette and the orange. I'm going to smoke those out underneath the black. I'm adding this lash. It's like the beginning of a lash I cut. Yeah, so it's just a small lash I'm gonna add to my waterline like I did over here. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.